Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through how to get AI photo editors. AI photo editors for your Instagram. And you want pictures, Instagram is mostly of pictures. So if you want to update or build your Instagram, these are the you want to build Instagram, you get photos to build their Instagram. So these are the AI photos editors to build your Instagram. Follow the steps so that you not miss any step. First, you go to Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. You type this app, Gemini. So this is it. And if you haven't upload, please upload it. Or when you finish, or you haven't installed it, install it. Open. When you finish, this is the app. This is the app here.